Hi there and welcome. If you're sitting there right now trying to figure out how to start a digital marketing business while working full time, then this video is meant for you because that's exactly what we are going to cover within this video. My name is Errol Muller and I am the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com, and I know you do not have a lot of time on your hands, and I know you don't want to waste any of your time, and the little time that you do have left you want to spend towards something that will make a change in your life, perhaps your life as an individual or your life as a family man or woman. And I know your time is very precious, and after working 40 to 50 hours a week to a job or a corporate job, we don't have a lot of time. So what I'm going to share with you right now is how you can fit all of this, what we are doing right now, in 1 to 2 hours a day, and if you really stretch it, into 3 hours a day. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to show you a practical easy path to building automated income online, even when you are completely drained and you get home from your day job or from the office. Before we unpack the layout, let's address the skepticism. You have probably seen endless of online claims and online scams, but look at this real community post from Michael Lindsay Jr., who cleared $900 in a single day while out with his son at a baseball tournament, my friend. He didn't make that happen by sitting at a desk managing client phone calls all day. He did it because the system was running for him in the background. When you set up your systems cleanly, you don't have to sacrifice your entire evening or skip your family's milestones and very memorable and important moments just to bring in an extra income. To help you build this out without the usual confusion, I'm giving you my full Freedom Formula Blueprint training package today, which normally holds a real world market value of $997 and more. This walks you step by step through the exact setup that I use and make use of every single day. You can grab it for free by clicking the very first link in the description below this video. Just complete the straightforward onboarding steps on that page to submit your email address, and make sure to check both your spam and promotions folder to guarantee that you will receive this email. And when you receive that email, please reply to me letting me know that you have received your Freedom Formula Blueprint. It will come in the form of a video as well as a PDF attachment, a PDF document. So look, having this free blueprint guide downloaded onto your computer is a massive first step, but I want to be completely honest with you right now. Setting up a simple landing page or opening a free automated workspace inside system is really only half of the battle. If you do not know how to get actual real people looking at your links without spending a fortune on paid advertising, nothing is going to move forward. And when you are working a full-time job, you cannot afford to waste your limited evening hours building pages that just sit there completely empty. That is exactly why we are walking through these organic traffic loops today, so you can cleanly bring people into your system automatically while you are still busy at the office. Now, I didn't start out as a corporate marketing executive with a massive budget. In actual fact, I grew up as one of 5 kids in a 3 tiny bedroom house, and with that said, I always wanted more for myself. I always wanted more for my life, and I always wanted more for my family. And that's when everything changed. Back in 2016, my son was born, and with that said, that is the time that everything really started to shift. I always had this dream of working online, making money online, working from the comfort of my own home. But when our son was born, I said, no longer can I do this. I have to provide a better life for myself, for my wife, and for my son. And by doing that, I started turning online, and I started looking for ways in order to build income online with a digital marketing business. I'd searched and I've tried many things before, and while I was online, I discovered this blueprint that's assisted me in not only earning multiple figures online, but it's also assisted me in doing it from the comfort of my own home, around my family, working anywhere from 1 to 2 hours a day, sometimes pushing it up to 3 hours a day, but it's not needed. I can get it all done within 1 to 2 hours a day. And that is exactly what we are covering within this presentation and the blueprint that I'm giving you access to for free today so that you can start making use of it, and which I will share with you just now how you should make use of it as well. Before we look at the exact steps, I want to ask you a quick question. What is the single biggest technical roadblock or software confusion that has been holding you back right now? Let me know in the comments. And because we all want that security for our families, I don't use automated bots here. I will personally read and manually reply to your comment myself. While you are busy commenting, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, because when you do that, it forces the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to more everyday people just like yourself who are currently drowning in silent financial pressure and looking for a clean way out. The first major barrier keeping people stuck is the information overload trap. You sit down after a long shift at the office, open up YouTube, and find thousands of competing strategies. It is completely exhausting. And when you're working a full-time job, my friend, you know exactly how heavy that pressure feels, which is why most people quit before they even start. They think they need to understand every single digital tool under the sun, but trying to copy those hyper complex setups will just burn you out. You do not need more information. You just need one clear, uncluttered route to follow. The second barrier is the massive financial drain that most traditional online models force on you. Most gurus will tell you that you need to invest thousands of dollars into paid advertising campaigns or stack up expensive software subscriptions just to get your business off the ground. But when you are trying to build safety for your household, risking your hard-earned savings on unpredictable ad spend is terrifying, my friend. You need a system that minimizes your upfront monthly overhead, allowing you to build your framework quietly in the background without constant financial anxiety keeping you awake at night. The third modular hurdle is the technical brick wall of custom coding and software friction. Now, I know that sounds hectic and very confusing, but I want you to pay attention and listen closely. For years, starting a digital marketing setup meant you had to manually connect dozens of digital platforms, different platforms, write complex code, or design every single website layout completely from scratch. I know, and it was a nightmare. And if one tiny tracking link breaks, the whole machine stops working. You do not have time to act as a full-time software developer or engineer after a long day at your job, which is why utilizing a pre-configured setup is the only way to bypass that friction entirely. Let's pivot straight into the technical resolution that major marketing corporations usually charge thousands to show you. To launch a digital marketing setup while working full-time, this is your direct 3-step routine map. First, you register a basic domain and hook it directly to a clean landing page. Second, you deploy an automated opt-in page designed to collect email data 24/7. Third, instead of manual fulfillment, you link that page to a pre-configured checkout and delivery sequence inside system, so your product arrives instantly to the user while you are completely offline. And when you look at this model, I don't want you to see a complex sales framework. I want you to view it as a pre-configured online business vehicle designed specifically to do the heavy lifting for you. And because we all want that long-term security for our households, finding a path that clears out the manual technical headaches means you can let the automated system handle background data delivery and client scaling entirely. This runs quietly every single hour of the day, managing transactions while you are executing your daily corporate responsibilities at your primary workplace. You do not have to walk this roadway in isolation. Our main educational platform connects over 60,000 active members. In actual fact, what I'm going to do right now is let me hop onto the screen and do a screen share so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So this right here is our main community, and just to show you and prove to you that this is live. I'm going to refresh this page quickly. As you can see, the page is going to refresh, and we are currently over 60,040 members inside this community right now. And in actual fact, there's 185 members online. But what I do want to share with you and what I do want to show you is I'm going to head over to the community tab, and then I want to click on the wins, and then once inside the wins, I'm going to do this. I'm going to say new, and it's going to filter it to the latest post. You can see this post was posted 1 hour ago, 4 hours ago, and 16 hours ago, 23 hours ago. It's to show you that when you start making use of this blueprint, my friend, and you get access to our main community, you are not alone. You are part of 60,000 members making use of this exact same blueprint. In actual fact, right here, this lady shared a win. Beth School, my first sale. Let's go to win right here. Lulama, another $900 during a live stream. This lady from 12 Rand in her bank account to 0 school balance. Lulama woke up to another $1,400 sale. Right here, Gerda, my first sale. Christine, 1,400 bundle pack sale while I was running my errands. And I can go on my first sale. Firstly, ding, $600 sell to wrap up the night. Now I can go on and on and on, and to show you that we've got over 36,221 pages like this, filled with results like this. As you can see directly on my screen, this space is alive with real execution every single hour. Now what I want you to do right now, this is our disclaimers, our terms and conditions. Pause this video, read these T's and C's, read this disclaimer, and then let's continue to the next slide. And what we are going to do now is we're going to close out this masterclass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you step by step what you need to do next. And here is what you need to do. The very first thing you will do is in the description right below this video, the first link, EmpireDigest.com. Click that link. It will bring you over to a page that looks like this. Once you do that, you're going to click the next step, and then you will be presented with a page like this. If you have not done it yet, then what you want to do next is you want to enter your name, you want to enter your email address, and as soon as you do that, you will discover the 2-hour workflow that teaches you how to earn 100% profit, my friend, and you can do that daily when you make use of it. There's no guarantees or anything of the sort. I cannot promise that you will make any money with this, but I can show you what's working, and I can show you how it works for other individuals, and it's worked for myself, and it's worked for thousands of individuals out there. Now, what stops and what prevents it from working for you? So once you've done that, you've entered your name, you've entered your email address, you will then be presented with a page like this. This is the owner and founder of this specific blueprint. Her name is Michelle. I want you to watch this video, but while watching this video, very important, you will, within your email inbox, make sure to check your email inbox and check your promotions folder. You will be received with an email called your Freedom Formula Blueprint is inside. Watch out for that email, and when you receive it, all you need to do is just click reply and reply to me, letting me know that you have received your blueprint. In this email, you can watch a physical video of the blueprint in action. So you'll watch this thank you page, and then you can click this watch the blueprint in action. And then what you can also do is when you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says attachments, that is your Freedom Formula Blueprint right there. You can click on that PDF, and once you click on the PDF, let me show you what it will look like. There is your PDF, and then you can literally go through your Freedom Formula Blueprint PDF. And then while on this email, what I also want you to do is you can write here, I'm inviting you to join my very own private VIP community. It's not going to cost you a single cent. It is for free. Click on community.EmpireDigest.com and you can create yourself a free account. Now, once you've watched this video right here, you will then, as soon as you click this, yes, I'm ready to have a successful online business, you will be presented with a page like this. And this is where you can decide and make a decision in order to unlock your 4 income streams. You can decide which program suits you best and matches you where you are in your life right now. Now, once again, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.